Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to go shop at the dollar store and find some fall stuff. I'll just take you with me a little bit and come back and show you what I got. So we went back from the dollar store and I got a bag of goodies. Most of this you already saw in the little clips, but I'll show you anyways. So first is this wreath. You know, everything's $1, which is great. Super cheap way to decorate your house on a really small budget. I am going to use this for a lot of DIYs, so keep in tune for upcoming videos. That would be your clue now to go subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. But yeah, this wreath's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna put sphagnum moss in it. You can wrap a garland around it. You can put plants, whatever. You can keep it just as it is because it is super cute, just like this. So I'm really excited that we found this there. That's not part of the fall decor, but it was still fun. Some other stuff that I found that's really fun and exciting is this was in their wedding selection. They're just little buckets. I thought they were super cute. I'm probably going to be using them in a couple arrangements, fairy gardens, you know, whatever. They're fun and exciting. This, I'm guessing, was actually from the summer and spring, but it's a pot. They had a couple left over, and so I just grabbed one. This one's nice because it has a drainage hole. I do not like this color, but I'll show you a quick way to get rid of that in another video. So we can plant something else in it and maybe have fun with it. And then a couple other things that I found that are more specifically fall are these fun little pumpkins. Sorry, the light's pretty bad on this, making it a little reflective. But these are tiny little pumpkins. They are so cute. They are on sticks, and I have no idea if you can use this for food. But what I'm going to be using with it is for like a fairy garden. I'm going to be putting these in the soil. That fall video will be coming out soon because I want to have that ready for fall when it comes. But I'll be using these because fairy garden supplies are really expensive. And at the dollar store, if they have mini decorations like this, I'm going to snatch them up because these are going to be super cute in a fairy garden. And then a couple other things that I found were cute. Originally, I was going to put in a fairy garden, but I don't actually think I have a pot big enough for an arrangement of this size right now. So I'm going to be putting them in a farmhouse bucket, and I will actually show you that. I think I might be painting the stems a little bit brown, but look how cute these are. The light actually looks really cool with those. But they're completely covered in glitter. I got one that's this orange color, and then I got two that are like a little bit of lighter of this color. I think these are super cute. This one honestly looks like rose gold. But I'll be putting these like on my table in a little basket. I'll show you at the end of the video what I do with that. And then a couple other things that I found that I think will be cute for decorations around the house or in a garden. I'll have to find something. Is this little straw bale. Super cute. He has a wire around him. I'll be opening this up and using it in something. This, I have an idea of what I want to use it for. This is an LED candle. We'll just open it up. See if it works. Oh.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, it does. Okay, so.
Just pull the little tab on that. I probably will have to glue this down. Oh, no, it just snaps in. Cool. So, got a little, it's pretty powerful little light. But I thought this would be really cute. I think I'm going to use this in a fairy garden. You'll find out. And then I picked up 2 ribbons that I thought were just absolutely amazing. This one was the Halloween fall specific ribbon. One of them that they had, it's 2.5 inches, but it's covered in all sorts of glitter. I'm really excited about that one. This one looks kind of messy, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it'll be really pretty in, you know, wrapped around a basket as a bow, whatever. I think it'll bring a nice pop of orange to our house. Maybe I'll have to make a wreath with it, with that wooden wreath. And then I also bought another one, which I think is just, oh no, it does look like it's part of the fall. I found it somewhere else in the store, so that's why I thought it was something else. But this is a brown burlap. And so I'm really excited about that one as well. And I think these two together are actually gonna be really pretty. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click the like button down below if you like videos like this. And if you like seeing how I decorate my house with certain items and what I'm gonna do with different gardening tools that I find at the dollar store or stores like the dollar store. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe below if you haven't already. So thanks for joining us, and I'll see you later. Bye.